Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of Sidebar for Microsoft Edge. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. If you want to go down to the bottom right corner and click this cog, and it brings open this page. From here we can do a few things. We can change specific settings within these apps, or we can also customize it as well. If you wanted to remove certain things, for example, if you didn't want the games one, simply untog this and it disappears from the taskbar. You can also add in some top sites if you use this often. It might make life a bit easier. Simply click them to add and it will add them to the start bar. However, if you did actually want to remove it, X out of that and this button here, simply toggle this off and it will disappear. If you want to get back, simply do the same thing. Click it, or you can click up here in the top right to access the chat bot and all your fingers that were there before. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.